Got another jump, 4% for today for AMC. GameStop is jumping 2%. Really good movement right now for GameStop because we got near the bottom, the $20.80. The last level where the market maker bought for GameStop was an earnings day on the beginning of June. They added again at the end of June. Now they added again at the end of July. So we have to discuss is this is the right time to buy or not. Before we go further, again, remember our content always for educational purposes only. Let us discuss first GameStop again. As you can look here, we got again another channel of selling pressure. Last time we broke this channel back here. It was after we tested the bottom. We jumped almost 10%. We got a reversal. Then entered again, it's selling pressure again, and now trying to break this time up. And hopefully this time, after we break the white line, we have to break the major resistance around the 23.68 because we don't want to have the same reaction here, going up, then pulling back and consolidating. No, we need a bump straight away toward this green line to confirm a genuine buying pressure around this bottom. For AMC, on the other hand, we don't have a pullback. Instead, we have accumulation up because we got the earnings lately on the mid of July. We got a pullback a little bit after 30% jump. And of course, lately around last Thursday, we got a really good jump here from the bot support, the $2.12. The good reaction today, 5% jump for today for AMC. And again, no pullback at the market open. Show us that we got a huge buying pressure. Look at this. This green candle have a little wick and now is going toward the 6%. Maybe we might do 10% today and squeeze. You see, we missing another 5% in order to squeeze, first squeeze, not the ultimate squeeze, but the first squeeze around the $2.53 for AMC. Because if we got this squeeze, guys, is mean we might have the $3 before the end of this month, because I think we got a few days left for the end of this month. Yes, this week is the last week for this month, guys. So are we gonna have the last week fight for AMC and have the $3 or not, guys? Let me know in the comment section below, because now we are on the critical zone, from my opinion, for AMC to give us the $3, because right now the $2, technically the $2 over the $2 is the current support, and the major resistance where the short seller lies is around the $3. So $1, guys, it is the fight. But the first level that we give us a bit of hope that we're gonna squeeze before the end of this week or this month is breaking over the $2.53 and holding over this level, making it support like we made the $2.12 support. And this time we might have the squeeze for the $3.